Welcome to the Politricks Watch. This is RP. Today, I'm going to talk about the Leon Bailey situation. Now, of course, you know, so we're not talk about sport like that. So anytime I hear me talk about anything where don't sound like a typical video that make, that means say tie back into a topic when we cover in the past, or something we always talk about. You know, we talk about the culture and the culture and the mindset. But the Leon Bailey situation tie back into one of the core issues with Harriman. But tell them say, I realize say many Jamaicans, I just can't put a percentage on it, but many Jamaicans care more about entertainment than they are about seeing Jamaica a better place. Whether it's matters regarding economics, crime, sports, whatever. The way Leon Bailey move right now, I move like an Irish Saxon. The Irish Saxon don't have a patriotic bone in them body. Jamaica for them is a burden. When they have to do something for Jamaica, it come like you ask them to move a mountain. Before I go into the video, let me just say this. People are link me and ask me about TikTok. So them see video over there, look YouTuber, you have TikTok. I don't have no TikTok page. Any page where you see on TikTok where claim say them are the local YouTuber, claim say them a Politricks watch, a scam, fraud, unicorn need. Right, one of them lawyer in and things say I watch quote unquote Serpy videos. Is a scammer, is a fraud, is a thief. Right. And then next thing you know them start come up, guys send this here and they send nothing going away. Right. Report them scammer there. Right. And stay far from them. Only place I put out content, Instagram page, the YouTube channel we are listening to now, and Patreon. That's it. Fraudsters, them can't create their own content. Them no one put in the work. But I say the real big problem with this is that when them do this, then them start tell people no, say, yo, send this over here, son. Oh, send this. And then people now thinking it's a medium I deal with might go send because I send everybody up to date on the technology. A scam. We could get back to this Leon Bailey matter. Let me add the disclaimer. This is in no defense of the JFF. I could care less about JFF. Everybody know throughout history, JFF has proven to be shaky than an earthquake. This is not about the JFF. This is about Jamaica. Get this through the head. Football federations on a whole. Just pay attention to any big country when you see tournaments are going on. But regular people have issues with them football federations. Regular man thinks that this happening and that not happening. Especially, right, Latin America, Africa and them place there. Enough time people have issues with them football federations. But you see when big tournament time come, man a play. Man now turn down the chance to represent them country. It's a major tournament, that is an honor. But of course I'm telling you, so the Irish Saxon don't look for nothing involving Jamaica as an honor. So him see it like, show man, John will star. Like, see me can fit it in. JFF and Leon Bailey have them history. That's fine. Leon Bailey, right, star baller. Want put in demands. Alright. Make we see the demands cause stars tend to get certain perks within reason. Keywords here, within reason. So make us see what the demands are. And yes, before the video going further, I'm going to confess as usual, just like the artists, them are, the politician, them are, the big guy, yes, the bad man Leon Bailey. Yes. Right. So yeah, enough a point out, right, we may confess. Yes, my bad man Leon Bailey. That's why I'm going to become bad man. Because it's all about bad man. You can't just be picking out sense to nonsense. You can't just be calling out rubbish, no. A bad man. So yes, me admit a bad man. Now for the thing them when me say Leon Bailey and them team them talk about, them thing they couldn't stop me from play for my country. Of course, because my star baller playing at the Premier League, he have certain leverage. And at first, I was saying, well, JFF have a history of being shaky when it comes down to certain things, so the baller want to make sure. But when time I start reading between the fine lines, I realize that no, them people they on an ego trip. I see people online that yo, the man having money, the man need in Jamaica. When dolphin have money in buy water. When you love to talk about this money thing. Like when you think money is something new. Or money business about nobody. There are certain things more important than money, such as legacy. When Sadio Mane and Didier Drogba and Yaya Toure and Samuel Eto'o and them man that play for them country, sometimes them are the only big baller on them team. You think them man that play for money? Them man that make me hold it more. I must say Yaya Toure and them man they achieve more in a football, reach higher heights in a football than Leon Bailey. He might get there one day, but at the moment, people like Yaya Toure and Didier Drogba and them man they achieve more. Them man they, at no point, people in the Ivory Coast don't talk about, what you mean dog, tell them to go suck them mama cause you have your money. Nobody not say that. Nobody not say that in the Ivory Coast, people not say that in the Senegal, people not say that in the Cameroon. Jamaicans are talk, what you mean Billy, tell them to go work cause you have your money dog, you don't need them people. It's not about money, is it? It's about Ironman being at a major tournament and have the ability or the opportunity, right, to do something. Everything when I bring back to me, I have money. Me have my money go suck your mother, I don't need nobody call me my money. Because that is what defines the Jamaican male, it seems. I have my money and my things. Nothing else no matter. I have my house and my car. Suck your mama. Players making demands and nothing. But some of them demands, shambolic. Players making demands and saying they want this and they want that and they really nothing. But hero demands work now. Throughout history, see players will make certain demands and some players where you know say once they're on the team, they're guaranteed to win, there is no question. When America did have the dream team, Michael Jordan and enough of the man on the team never get along with Isaiah Thomas. Man them say them not go know with Isaiah Thomas. He was left out of the team. Isaiah Thomas deserved to be on that team. But Jordan them say, yo, the brother you're acidic, you know. So we don't want to play on the team with him. Isaiah Thomas was left out. You know why Jordan got his way? Because that's Michael Jeffrey Jordan. And any team in play upon in any Olympics, that the gold medal they win before it start. So you see when you're going to start make demands, you have to make sure you're that guy. Let me say that one more time. If you're going to make demands, make sure you are that guy. Meaning say from you up on the team, there is no more questions. The trophy is coming home. Federations and bend and yield all the time to superstars when they're that guy. The moment you see that guy on the team sheet, every other team knows, oh there, we're competing for second place. Leon Bailey is not that guy. Talented baller, achieved a lot. I wish him all the best roll off the offer. But let's get something clear. Leon Bailey is not that guy. People need looking at sackcloth and ashes. It's the messy name that go on the Argentina team sheet. People need looking at sackcloth and ashes. Say Ronaldo broke his foot and I got certain tournament. People the 20 days fasting and prayer. It's the Mbappe. They got certain tournament. Not one prayer is being said in any country while playing a Copa America, so Leon Bailey no go. Not one prayer no make. Not one kneel down no go on. If certain demands are going to be made, make sure you're that guy. Guy. All if Leon Bailey clone himself 3 more times, he wouldn't guarantee Iron Man even making it out of the group stages. A long time when I watch football, I remember over the years, enough of the African baller them was superstar in Europe. I play for the biggest clubs them. Some of them come from Cameroon and them places, Senegal, Ivory Coast, some place where if you think JFF shaky, you don't want to see them place the federation. Enough of them African superstar baller there, they paid for them teams. Sometimes the country can't even send them on a flight. Or the star baller pay for the whole team. That's chump change to a star baller. So when they're not talking about one of the money, we only talk about self. When I talk about the individual. Big African baller carry all him team go. When them him a pay for the hotel, that's nothing, that's 2 days work. Man in the Premier League I make all 200,000, 300,000 on them money that week time. What is it pay for the rest of my teammate them so we can go represent the country? That's nothing to a general. So I love talk about general and I don't know what a real general is. General I make demands like him a Cub Scout. This is nothing new. Enough time we see a team or a country with only one big baller everybody know about. And one baller when they want big league. And when time we see the African country, them or the Middle Eastern country, them, the Arab country, when they reach a tournament, they them say, yo, you know, say the team couldn't even afford this. And at the star baller pay for the hotel and pay for the flights. That's nothing to a general. When we talk about Liam Bailey, all we talk about is self. What him have and what him can do. We're talking about team. But we know as Iron Man don't believe in the concept of us or we. It's all about I. And me. Liam Bailey can't rate Jamaica. When time look through them demands, yeah. Liam Bailey cannot rate Jamaica. Liam Bailey have to be an Irish Saxon. When time we look upon this. Listen to the demands. You say right there, so? May I read from the papers? Say Liam Bailey representative Butler pointed out 5 areas the JFF must address before Bailey agrees to return. It's alright. Again, star baller. I want certain things looked at. Alright. We can hear them now. First one, Bailey must get his own personal security when he's with the national team. That's the first one. The next one, he must get first class flights. This is where when people talk about man a real Jamaican, I tell them to say, peak off, I go take back my passport, you know, because I understand how to look on life, you know. Or me if you be big international baller. I make much money in a big league. And first class flights are issue? Come on, bro. First class flights, I don't even mention that. At the least. Is the next one, him get him own room. This sound like when Pitney Award, Daddy, I want my own room now. How much for your hotel room? Even the fanciest of hotels. You know what I make me say no, say Liam Bailey a real general, like. If you hear say Liam Bailey say, yo, teammate, we don't go work with JFF little 2-star hotel. Right. Me a book out the whole over so and so. Right. And the whole way I get. Right, nice comfortable room. At them move they show you who a general na this. If we the hear say Liam Bailey say yo, them look a 2-star, 3-star hotel there. Where JFF putting up in a teammate. But don't do the maths already. It costs less than one of my watch. Right. Me I put up the whole team. Make you know what comfortable feel like. Make you live like how me live daily. Make you live like it for 1 week. That can't stop me from playing for my country. If me I go play for my country and that are the stumbling block, then me no want to play for my country. Irish Saxon thing. Next one, a review of the players' contracts and that Rudolph Spide be removed as the head of technical committee if he continues to be the head of the Premier League champions Cavaliers. That one there kind of spooky still. What that have to do with? How would that stop me from playing for Jamaica? Yes, now you have to start asking the question. The people them around Liam Bailey are try push them own agenda for further them own. Liam Bailey don't play in a Premier League at Jamaica. Him not have nothing to do with Jamaican Premier League. What technical committee man have to do with him playing for Jamaica in a Copa America? People are pushing their own agendas yes and no. This is insanity. Me can't see opportunity to go play for my country, a Copa America, and I tell man, but yo, alright, me gonna need Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer to be removed as the head of them. What have to do with Copa America, guy? What does that have to do with representing my country? At Copa America, Liam Bailey can't want to play Copa America. Liam Bailey clearly not interested in playing for Jamaica. Right. Liam Bailey clearly upon some Irish Saxon thing. Right. What does that have to do with playing for your country, guy? These people are Irish Saxons. They have no patriotic bone in their body. Putting on a Jamaican shirt and representing Jamaica don't mean nothing to them. Nothing to them. Clearly them don't even rate the fans them. Them don't even rate the fans them. All the time me hate JFF to the point where me hate all the building where them inner. Just playing for my country and making my country jump up and make some noise when time I score a goal. Right. That in itself take priority over everything. Me cannot tell man about remove man. And believe it or not, none of the things that I mentioned before, as ridiculous as some of them sound, right, never make me say Leon Bailey a poppy show. As me say when man turn star, you know, ego gone through the roof, them have certain expectations, fine. But not take that from the man. Right, him do him, achieve what him achieve. Right. None of them thing there, right, never make me say Leon Bailey should officially be classified as Poppy Show. As an Irish accent Poppy Show. It wasn't them thing there. It got worse. You know what really make me say Leon Bailey and him team, people them know Leon Bailey at that, are some big Poppy Show. Irish accent Poppy Show. This right here so is where me draw the line. The next thing I gotta tell them. Everything before, me say, well, you know, you can't tell man for one what them want. Right? If I that him want, that him want. That was my attitude. Even if some of them are gimmicks thing, fine. That him want. Star baller make star demands, fine. You know where me really draw the line? You know where Jamaican should really draw the line? And say this right here so is a step too far. Superstar or not, is when it come out say, even if Bailey agree to play for Iron Man na Copa, he might go miss the first game, which is against Mexico on June 22nd, because he's keeping his party on June 21st. You can't make this up. That right there so is where me what. It's enough from the DJ guy, baller guy, sports guy. One of them dip on top, wanna always forget what really matters. The hype and the clout blinding them. Whoever they own Leon Bailey. Me don't know if I him not no sense or them not no sense. Or them have sense but them just no business. Or them just that don't care. But to make people here say, you can't play for your country in the opening game because your party is the day before, that is the definition of travesty. Shambolic is an understatement. That is diabolical. The man is missing. Even if he agrees, even if he does Jamaica a favor, because I saw them no point at this point now. Playing for Jamaica is a favor. I'm doing you a favor here, guy. Even if them do Jamaica a favor and agree to go Copa, you might go miss the first game because him party. Jamaicans put entertainment above everything. This right here would have been the biggest. This news would be career ending, ratings ending for anybody else except for Jamaican. You know? Because other Jamaicans can relate. Because they see me, they would miss their mama funeral for party. They would miss them papa funeral. Them picnic and their children are dead and they miss it. They would miss the last breath for party. Missing the opening game for Copa for your party. I would believe that shows enough of them are really passionate about the thing that they're most talented. Them talented, but what they really love is the hype. Because if them love the game, if them love the fans, man cannot miss them sitting here for party. If Leon Bailey and him team have any respect for the Jamaican football fan, them have come out and release a statement and say, listen, the word of this is unicorn meat, we not miss. There is no party. It's all made up. It's all a propaganda to hurt Leon Bailey's image. That's what they say. I mean, even though I'm going to check and see that there's actually a party. You must have a party on the 21st. And the game on the 22nd free. But if them even business about the Jamaican people, they may not come say that. Who could try that anywhere else? Imagine, as old as him be, imagine Messi, imagine Ronaldo. I tell the Portuguese people, them say, yo, we're gonna miss Euro 2024 opening game because I have one dance, I keep one dance the day before, so me link up back with them later. As big as him be, the Portuguese people are gonna tell Ronaldo if we go suck him, mama. Miss who for opening game? For party? As big as Messi be, can't try that in Argentina. As big as Messi be, him can't try that in Argentina. Better him not go. Better him say him now go to the tournament. But for miss it and him say, why you miss it? Your foot broke? You picking a stick? You picking a dead weapon? No, one party make it, man. Imagine Mbappe looking at the French people and saying, yo, we can't go Euro in the cars. Or I'm gonna miss the first game in the cars and party I keep on, yo, me sit I go, mad dog, me I tell you, be a liquor dog and be a girl. Party guy. Then when he go party 21st, him enjoy himself to the maximum. Even if he link up with the team afterwards, then him fitness now go shaky. Footballers who really attain legendary status, them do it with them national team. Every great baller you can think about. No care how them good for club, you see if you're not good for country, there's a big asterisk beside your name. Messi could have win La Liga till him tired. Messi win the most Champions League. You know when Argentina say Messi turn Messi? You know when Messi start really get mentioned? You know when Argentinians accepted Messi's name beside Maradona one? When he win the World Cup. For his country. Jordan win much NBA titles. But the team it all goes back to is the dream team. Playing for his country. Cristiano Ronaldo have a much Champions League. You know when Portuguese people say you're that guy? When they win the Euro 2016. Kylian Mbappe playing a League One. Them call it a Farmers League. Compared to the other leagues them, League One a joke. You know why Kylian Mbappe is that guy? Because of what he did for country. Win one World Cup and star in the next one even though them lose. Hat-trick in a World Cup final. General status for life that. Playing in his national colours. When I talk about make money and play for club. Missing the opening game. For party. Only a Jamaican could say this and people don't lose their mind, you know. People are understanding, oh, you don't know him, man, have been party, so you mean, man, don't stand in party already, dog. I want to dog, man, you say, man, it's in party, money don't, man, down to dog. Party? Missing the opening game of a major tournament, cause your parties the day before? Them youth are Irish Saxon, man, them man, they rate Jamaica, they rate Jamaicans. Loyalty, stability. Do you think Leon Bailey could have tell Aston Villa, say he's missing the opening day of the Premier League for party? Jamaicans are so tolerant and patient when they deal with foreigners, but they have no mercy, no patience when they're dealing with their own. You want to see this phenomenon? Check the US Embassy. Jamaican do tell us that they can't be themselves. Something that they make it impossible for them to be themselves. They can't keep quiet. They can't do this. Watch them up at the US Embassy. They are the best behaving people on earth. Jamaicans adjust their attitude. Depending on who they deal with. When they're in front of foreigners and in front of Billy Joe. So understanding, they're so pleasant and smiley. But they have no mercy. If them going to one Jamaican business place and something to work out or they want it work out one time, they never go back again. They will never go back again. But the American embassy can tell them if you go suck them woman 20 times and they go back at 21st. If them even have an iota of respect to Jamaica, them will come out and tell Be Unicorn me, yo, just to let you know, this is all made up, okay? Nothing, there's no party and we're not missing anything, and I'm saying it's all what they're trying to do is just smear the image. Say that. I better them say that. I mean, it would be Unicorn meat, but at least that's how they might try to do a little PR and a little damage control. But at this point, look at them don't even care enough to do damage control. If I'm the coach of that team, and man I tell me say man miss opening game for party, me I tell him nobody come. Nobody come. Right, you don't rate me, you don't rate your teammate them, you don't rate your country. Nobody come. Right. Enjoy your party and keep 10 more. Leon Bailey is a Irish Saxon. I better one of them European countries give him a shirt make him play for them. If England FA or French FA they call up Leon Bailey and tell him say we'll give you 2 pieces of crackers or 1 bun and cheese. That's all I will get. He may work with it. Just for having the privilege of putting on a big country shirt. If England FA call up Leon Bailey and tell him so we'll give you 1 tough crackers and a cup of water to play for England, he might take it. Because him rate England and him rate Billy Joe's shirt and Billy Joe's representation, but him rate Jamaica, so he want the world before him play for him country. Big superstar millionaire boy in one room. Man can afford to buy a whole hotel to him rich. And I talk about room. Madness. Patreon squad, big up on yourself. Yeah, don't know, more life. Ultra squad, see you circling. Bless.